Hello everyone, good morning. So in the last week workshop, we discussed about end-to-end data pipeline from ADLS to Snowflake through Databricks. So in this workshop, right, we discussed about the data movement of loading from ADLS container to Databricks by mounting the locations, and then we transform the data. The transform results are storing back to the ADLS, and the one copy is going to the Snowflake. So this is what we have discussed and have attached the video. I hope you practice this. Um, I've attached all the steps and the code, everything. So I hope you all guys practice this. So on this week, I'm actually presenting a new workshop. I've completed the article as well. So I think this is very good one for when you automate the process. So in this one, we are using a autoloader for ingesting a data through autoloader. So like nothing but we are automating the process of the end to end. So in this process, we are actually loading the data using the streams, like a read stream, write stream, read streaming into from a raw layer. We are read streaming, and then we are doing the transformations, and we have a checkpoint here to check the incremental data. So on the previous article, it's like a historical load, and this is like incremental load, and this is for auto loader, which is totally automating the process. So you don't require any outside ETL tools to automate the job. So this is the best process when you want to automate the end-to-end data pipeline. So coming to this, today I'm going to explain this process. So then you'll understand how the last week workshop and how this one, the comparison, what are the advantages and everything. And coming to the introduction part, as you know, Databricks Auto Loader is a cutting edge tool. We can streamline the process of ingesting the data from the cloud storage to Databricks. And the advantage here is, there is no manual headaches or anything. We can automate the whole process of data load. Um, and there are common challenges we have here, right? So, like we have a scalability issues, schema evaluations, data latencies, the error handlings are the common challenges when you do the manual processing. And the solution is we are doing the autoloader. I think that automatical ingestion, like incremental process, it will take the latest data. Schema management, dynamically you can change the schemas without any manual intervention. Of course, we will don't recommend the scheme auto schema. We always recommend to go with the static schema. Schema has to be static everywhere. That's what I prefer because dynamic schemas has a problems. If data has some issues, there's a problem. Scalability wise, yes, it's built to process petabytes of scalars, fault tolerance, easy to handle the issues. So how this is the solution works? Obviously, it's simplifying data pipelines. You don't need any scheduling tools. You don't need to, um, you know, you don't need to orchestrate the workflows. You can just deploy once, and it can take care of continuously until you stop it. And productivity, yeah. So as the resources and everything is automating, and the process are very faster. And coming to the architecture overview discussion, so the target here is about the incremental load. So as discussed in the diagram, so you can see here all the step-by-step process. Step one, so here we are doing mounting in step two, and we are doing the read stream. On the step three, we are doing the checkpointing, the logs, and the status tracking. Step four is about like going to data into transformer layer and apply your transformations. And step five is about mounting back from your Azure storage to, Databricks to Azure storage. So the step five. So this within 5 steps, we can automate this process. That's what I have explained in the architecture. So this is all the step-by-step guidance. And there is a code also I have mentioned. I request you go through this code. Now I'm going to show you practically how we can do this. So first I'm checking my source path. Okay, so what are the file systems are available in the source, which is nothing but um, you can check this Azure storage. This is my storage accounts. This is my storage account. I have a containers, which is the source data is we have around 5 files. So now I'm running here. So suppose I'm just running this job. So the source path is mounting with the source data, checkpoint path mounting with the checkpoint data, target path is mounting with the transformer data. So we have all the three containers are here. Okay, and I've explained in the previous video and the previous article how to mount this. The code also have mentioned in this article. So I recommend you please complete this first practical, and after that we can practice this one. So yeah, now if you see this process, I'm mounting the locations, I'm defining the schema, I'm reading the autoloader, reading streaming, JSON files, and we have a checkpoint for the schema tracking. That's good. Applying the transformations, adding the current timestamp. That's good. And I'm writing back to my target path, which is nothing but the target mounting location. And as I said, all the three folders are mounted from my ADLS to Databricks. So uh, you can see here, and the results are running. And this is a keep on running job, okay? Because this streaming is a continuous streaming. Okay, let's see how it works. So I'm going with my checkpoint, going with source data. So, and you can see here, I'm taking the sample data. I'm just renaming with the new copy as a 5 sample transactions, and you can uploading here. So I'm uploading my raw file into my source data folder. So you can see the timing and everything. So now what's happening? The data will go to the raw layer, is mounted automatic, and is going to transformer layer by using auto loader, like transforming the data completed, and then it is mounting back to the transformed container, because here also we mounted. See, it's fully automated. So it's fully automated. So container checkpoint checking and then mounting back. So let's check. This is the new one, right? 618. So this morning have uploaded. Go back to your checkpoint and see, I got the checkpoint. We check the offsets, locations of new tracking, and then let's go with the transformer data. And you can check now that the data is received. You got it? So means the flow of the data is moved from here to here and then to here to here. So the data is transformed. Why? How it is? Because this is continuously running stream. This is a streaming loading. Remember, it's not actually historical. It's not a bulk data loading or it's not historical thing. It's an incremental data loading. It's a continuous ingestion. It's a continuous job. This is the advanced feature we have in data pipelines using Databricks Auto Loader. You don't need any extra different mechanisms like Kafka or some other ingestion mechanisms. We have inbuilt ingestion mechanism in Databricks which we can load auto loader. So this is a fantastic one, guys. So I have already mentioned all the code here. I request you guys please practice this. And it is taking a delta changes. So it is going to take changes. And I said the append mode, which is like when the new record comes, it is going to append. You can do the complete mode or overwrite mode. You can add. So by doing this process, you can automate your job. So by doing this, you can eliminate your schedulings. You can eliminate your the CI/CD pipelines or orchestration things and everything. So so this is a automatic data ingestion, handling a schema evaluation, and we have an ensure scalability. So, and you can focus on your data flow with this auto loading pipeline. So yeah, go through this coding, the documentation, and you practice on your mission. If you have any issue, we are here to support, guys. You can reach us anytime. Thank you so much. And if you like this, yeah, please subscribe, share, like, and sharing is a caring. Thank you, guys. Bye.